Remember the first time you had a customer revisit because they loved what you'd done? It felt great, right? You knew instinctively that customer loyalty was vital, something to be encouraged. It was easy in a way, because the best customer loyalty program is nothing more than a personal connection. It's the genuine appreciation you have for your most loyal customers, and you've been good at that. But now, you're not the only one talking to your customers, and it's harder and harder to give every customer the same attention that you gave your first. That's where Whisqr comes in. Whisqr helps businesses like yours build and maintain relationships with customers. We help you make every customer feel appreciated. Give Whisqr a try. We have a free starter program that you can use for your first 200 active customers.